just received this package. It's come from an artist called Frank Toe. He's based in Scotland. He's, I'd say rising star, but he's not really rising. He's done quite a lot in RUT and won quite a few prestigious art awards. He's been in the scene for quite a while and he's now a tutor at Dundee. So he trains other artists in the ways of art. His biggest fan and collector is someone you might actually know. His name is Patrick Stewart. He plays in X-Men and various different films. So quite a well-known collector. He's a patron of... That's how he got to know Frank Toe. He'd actually come to one of the graduate shows and seen his work and bought it. So I've been friends with Frank for quite a while now, and one day he came up and says, I'm doing a clear out of my studio and he's selling off various pieces. I'd never thought I'd be able to buy one of his works, but here I am today. I have received this wonderful package and I'm just going to open it now. Got the title in it. He's well packaged it. As I say, he is a professional. Now with art, they don't always appreciate. I did ask him before actually, and the way he explained it was like a watch. You cannot really tell what watches you might appreciate, but when you buy one, in the meantime, you get to enjoy what you have, you get to wear it. And so that's really the way with art. You should just buy it to enjoy it. Now with the string there, I'd imagine it would be this way up. So I believe he's called this Falling Girl. It's just a form, human form. He's got different ways of painting, so I believe what he does is he builds up layers and then sort of wipes away at it to bring out the light areas. Can you see that? So here's the second piece. I've still got the film over front of it. So it says, if a prince wishes to maintain his position, he is often obliged nay to be good. So the boy's writing, I am king of the castle, etc. It's got some dark, it's got some light, it's got the innocence of the boy. It's a lovely painting. And of course it's all original. So two very different paintings. Pieces of fine art as well, shall I say. pretty happy. I've seen him before in exhibition, but I've never thought I'd... So I've seen him before in exhibition, but I never thought I'd be able to buy a piece. When this opportunity came up, I decided to grasp it, which is important in life, to seize every opportunity. So yeah, here we go. Couple of Franco pieces in the flesh. If there's any other collectors or anyone wants to put an offer in, then certainly drop me a comment, drop me a message. But I think I'll be keeping this for quite a while, just for my personal collection. Thanks for watching. I hope you have found this of value or some sort of enjoyment. Check out his work. He's constantly doing more. He's always winning awards, so every time he wins another award, his reputation goes up, and as his reputation goes up, these will be worth more and more. He's certainly one of the greats of our era, especially in Scotland. So yeah, check him out, and I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.